Well, this is one of the sucky parts of running a farm. So this little hen, man, she was really pretty. She died today, and stay there. I gotta take her back. I dump them out in the forest here a ways so the coyotes can have them. But so we have a new problem. We have a bird. We have a rooster named Storm. He's really, really beautiful bird, and he's one of the newer ones. When we ordered hens, there was a video last year sometime, or what was it? Anyways, there was a video where we went and picked up a bunch of new hens. One of the hens wasn't a hen, it was a rooster, and it turned out to be Storm. And he's a gorgeous bird. He generally hasn't been so he made our third rooster. He was our third rooster, and he hasn't been a problem, but then we think he got too aggressive with her and hurt her back or something, and she was standing around weird, and I noticed a couple days ago things just didn't look right. She didn't look right, and then I was watching her again this morning, and again she wasn't eating right. Like she wasn't getting the food. She was stumbling over her own feet and stuff. So we didn't see anything happen. We don't know if Storm did it or not, but today Storm suddenly has become really aggressive with another one of our roosters. That rooster's name is Barry, and we absolutely love Barry. He's a gorgeous bird. He's kind of a pussy, or wussy, sorry, but he takes care of his ladies real well. He protects them. He's got his own little flock of girls, and he woos them really good. Okay, so Storm is this big gray and black bird who's walking away from me with the big comb on his head. I hope you guys are seeing that. He's a gorgeous bird. Man, I love him. But he's been really, really mean with Barry. I gotta get a picture of him before. So let's take a look at Barry. We put Barry in here. Well, yeah, Barry. Hey, buddy. Got some eggs. Nice. This is where we store eggs. Come on, get out of here. That's Einstein, that white one there. He's awesome. And he doesn't take any crap from anyone. He's chased Storm off a few times. I don't know why Storm all of a sudden got aggressive today, but oh, everybody wants food. Yeah, we can feed you guys now, I guess. Come on, baby, look out. Hey. Whoa. Barry, here comes Barry. Go get some food, buddy. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. This little girl is blind. You ready, baby? Here you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Yeah, see, Barry's hanging out over there. He doesn't want to go near Storm. You brought it on yourself, buddy. I'm sorry. Oh, you're starting to get bumblefoot. You're starting to get bumblefoot a little bit. That sucks. Alright, so now you guys will get to see how I skin a chicken. Okay, so that I just did was a clove hitch knot. Alright, I just stuck a piece of wood. It's actually working really nice because I don't want to go get my gimbal, but alright, so basically what I do, I don't keep the skin, I don't have an easy way to do the chickens keeping their skin on, so I skin them. I take their skin off. And you start by clearing them so you can get to their skin. That's good enough. Alright, obviously you need a sharp knife, and then I grab the leg and I pull back on the skin so that the skin is tight. The front of my knife doesn't feel, oh, it's not bad. And then the gross part. This is the part I don't like. So their body just kind of tells you how to do it. I'm just following the anatomy that's already there. I reach in and grab all the guts. I'll take this stuff out to the coyotes. Right there are the lungs. Still got a lot more to dig out here. There's the heart. There's the heart, and there's another part of the liver again. I'll come out and clean this up in a bit. Yeah, there it is. He's not a big chicken. Free-range birds aren't going to be. And he's not a meat bird. So that's how it goes.